The third question, the two friends positioned at these two locations, and both of them go to a position P. Their speeds are given and the time of their meeting is given. Then what should be this position P, given that 1 unit distance is equal to 1 kilometer? So first let's locate their positions. So this point is the origin, and now among the two friends, one Abdul is at minus 2 comma 2. So this is minus 2 here and this is plus 2 here. So Abdul is here, A, minus 2 comma 2. And we have the other one, Ram, at 4 comma 10, which is, this is 4 on the x-axis and this is 10 on the y-axis. So Ram is here, 4 comma 10. It says they're moving towards each other. So this is the path they take, where Abdul is moving this way and Ram is moving this way. And what we know about their movement is Abdul is moving at 60 kmph and Ram is moving at 90 kmph. So Ram is faster and they are meeting in 4 minutes. If 1 unit is a kilometer, we have 60 kmph into 4 by 60, because it's 4 minutes and the units are in hours, kilometer per hour. So we do 4 by 60 is equal to 4 km. So Abdul is moving 4 km, whereas Ram is moving 90 into 4 by 60, which is 6 km. So they meet somewhere in this region and we would like to know that point. And that point we can achieve through the section formula. We don't actually need to find the distances. And for applying the section formula, what we need to know is a ratio of how this point cuts the line segment AR. And that ratio, we can use it in this way. So we know that this length is supposed to be 4 km and this length is supposed to be 6 km, which means the ratio is 4 is to 6, that is 2 is to 3. So we now apply the section formula, which is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. This will be the x coordinate of that point, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This will be the y coordinate of that point. So let's call this point B. So this is the formula for B. So we get the point B is applying m1 is, this is the ratio m1 is to m2, and this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So we have m1 x2 would be 2 times 4 plus m2 x1 would be 3 times minus 2, the whole by m1 plus m2 is 5, and m1 y2 would be 2 times 10 plus m2 y1 would be 3 times 2 by 5 again. So that gives us 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 by 5 is 0.4, and 2 into 10 is 20, 3 into 2 is 6, so 26 by 5 is then 5.2. So B is 0.4, comma 5.2. We can check with our intuition. This point that we marked out actually has an x coordinate between 0 and 1 and a y coordinate between 5 and 6. So the point we are looking for is 0.4, comma 5.2.